Hello, I welcome all of you to my channel. Today's grammar topic is adverb. There will be multiple choice question and each question is carrying 1 mark. Okay, so let's start solving the question together. The first question is, the player practiced dash to improve his skill. Now which word should I fill in this blank? Options are rarely, lazily, regularly, loudly. These are the 4 options. Now quickly identify which option is correct. Is option A correct? Is B correct? Is C correct? Or you think D is correct? Which one is the correct option? The correct option is option C. The player practiced regularly to improve his skills. If you got it right, give yourself 1 mark. Okay, let's move to the next question. Question number 2 is, we must drive dash during heavy rain. Which word should I put in this blank? Options are fast, quickly, carefully, bravely. These are the 4 options. Which one should I put in this blank to complete the sentence, or which one is the correct option? It is option C. We must drive carefully during heavy rain. Okay, so let's move to the third question, which is another fill in the blanks, and the sentence is, she answered all the question dash. Now your options are wrongly, confidently, sadly, angrily. These are the 4 options. Which one should I put in this blank? Okay, it is option B. She answered all the questions confidently. Okay, I want to mention one thing about this question. There are other options also you can put over here, like she answered all the question angrily, but we are not going to use that option. We will choose option B only, because when such kind of question come, be sure to pick the option which is more polite. Okay, let's move on to the next one. Question number 4. The baby sleeps dash during the night. Which word should I put over here? Options are soundly, brightly, loudly, slowly. These are the 4 options. Now, which option is correct? Which one should I put in this blank? Go through the sentence once again. Go through your option. I'm sure you'll be able to find the correct option. It is option A. The baby sleeps soundly during the night. Okay, and if you got this answer right, don't forget to give yourself 1 mark and keep counting your marks. Okay, let's move on to the next question. Question number 5. Question number 5 is, I will visit my grandparents dash. Which word should I put over here? Options are always, often, usually, loudly. These are the 4 options. Which one is correct? It is option B. I will visit my grandparents often. Okay, there's a little mistake in this sentence. Okay, I'll just correct it. Okay, now it's correct. Will is not there in the sentence. It is, I visit my grandparents often. Okay, let's move on to the next question. Question number 6. The soldiers fought dash for their country. Okay, which word should I put over here? Softly, bravely, silently, quickly. These are the 4 options. Which one is correct? It is option B. The soldiers fought bravely for their country. And if you got it right, what you're supposed to do? Yes, you're supposed to give yourself 1 mark, because each question carries 1 mark, and keep counting your marks. Okay, before I move on to the next question, question number 7, I have a tiny task for you. Mention in the comment section below which is your favorite English grammar topic. I would like to know. Okay, let's move on to the next question. Question number 7. The magician disappeared dash from the stage. Okay, options to fill this blank are suddenly, beautifully, angrily, sadly. These are the 4 options. Which one is correct? is option A. The magician disappears suddenly from the stage. Let's move to the next question. Question number 8. They completed the project dash before the deadline. Now, which word should I put over here? Options are rarely, eagerly, lazily, early. These are the 4 options. Which one is correct? Which one should I put in this blank? Should I put option A or B or C or D? Which one do you think is the correct option out of these 4 options? It is option D. They completed the project early before the deadline. Okay, let's move on to the next question. Question number 9. The girl looked at the painting dash. Options are proudly, kindly, quickly, lovingly. These are the 4 options. But which one is correct? Is option A correct? Is B correct? Is C correct? Or D is correct? Which one is the correct option? Those who are saying option D are absolutely right. Well done. The girl looked at the painting lovingly. Okay, so we have reached the last question of our questionnaire. That is question number 10. Question number 10 is, the teacher speaks dash to everyone can understand. Now, which word should I put over here? Kindly, rudely, clearly, roughly. These are the 4 options. But which one is correct? Which one should I put in this blank? Okay, before I tell you the answer of this question, if you find my video useful, please like and subscribe to my channel. Also mention in the comment section below how much did you score out of 10. Okay, coming back to the question, this is your sentence and these are the words. Out of these 4 words, which word should I fill in this blank? And if your answer is option C, clearly, you're absolutely right. Well done. The teacher speaks clearly so everyone can understand. With that, we come to the end of this video. See you in the next video. Till then, bye bye and happy learning.